So after watching the 2 expert session videos for Chapter 8, I decided to research on a topic that was discussed in the second video with Zach Olson. So he talked about all the different features and groups of analytics, and one I found interesting was heat maps. Heat maps are data visualization tools used in analytics to see trends and patterns on a website, and that's basically all he said in the video. But when I researched it more, I found that heat maps track user behavior, eye tracking studies, sales data, and more. Now, after some research, I found an article with more on heat maps, and the article was published on hotjar.com. So this article discusses how heat maps come in different types, and each type tells us something specific about how people use websites. So right about here, it shows all the different types of heat maps. First, there are scroll maps, which show how far people scroll down a web page. Red areas mean most people stop there, showing businesses where their content is interesting or where people lose interest. Next is click maps, and these display what users click or tap on a web page. Colors show popular areas, helping businesses understand what grabs attention and what might be ignored. Next is move maps, which track mouse movements, revealing where user focus is. And this helps businesses see what users look at as they move around the page. Next is engagement zones, and this combines data from clicks, scrolls, and moves to highlight areas with lots of user activity. Businesses can focus on these areas to improve their engagement. Next is the rage click maps, which identify frustrating points where users click repeatedly. These spots indicate issues on the web page that need fixing to improve user experience and avoid frustration. And then the article just goes on more about heat maps. So using heat maps helps businesses understand how users behave on their website. They can see what users like, what they miss, and what causes problems. With this information, businesses can make smart decisions to improve their website based on real user experience. And that was basically everything I learned on heat maps from the expert video and the article that I just read.